We need to display the score now. For that, add a label as a child of canvas layer. Rename it to score. Type 0 in the text. Go to Theme Overrides. Here you can change the color. Increase the font size. Now use Anchor to place it in the top center part. Open the script, drag, and drop the score into script. Rename it to score label, since already there is a variable score. In the point scored function, update the score label value to match the score. Now, if you run the scene, your score will be displayed on the screen. Now we need to add sound when bullet fires from gun. Add a child node, Audio Stream Player 2D. Now from Assets you can drag and drop your gun firing sound to the stream. Now go to Scripts. Drag and drop the audio stream node to the script. Here when the input fire is triggered we need play the audio. You can run the scene to check if this works. Now we are going to create main menu with two buttons, Start and Quit. Create new scene. Add a user interface node. Name it a main menu. Add the panel node. Go to Styles. Select Texture. Now drag and drop your background image. We need to decrease the brightness. For that, go to Modulate and drag towards dark color. Now, add a button. Rename it as Start. Also type Start in the text. Now go to Colors and change the font color to black. Increase the font size. In Styles, select Style Box Flat and set color as white. Duplicate the button and rename it to Quit. Now select both button and add new parent called VBox Container. Increase the separation. Use Anchor to set the position to center. Now save your scene. Create a script. Select the Start button. Go to Signals and connect Signal Pressed. Same for Quit button, connect the press signal. In the function when Start button is pressed we have to change to Game Scene Right. So for that we have to get the tree, then call the function to change the scene to File. Now you can select your game scene. When the Quit button is pressed we have to call the function Quit. Also when the health becomes 0, we have to load the main menu right. So for that go to the game script. So here instead of reloading the screen, load the main menu scene. So when you run the scene now you can see everything works fine. So you have finally developed full 2D game in Godot. Thank you so much for watching the videos. You can comment what game you want next.